begun in earnest.
A new memo was released that henceforth any Nigerian nurse who needs certificate verification for foreign nursing boards is going to meet some criteria before verification. In other words, as a nurse, before you travel abroad to continue to work in abroad, you have to pay some amount of money, which is non-refundable fee, a minimum of 2 years of post-qualification experience, an active practicing license with at least 6 months until expiration, and a letter of good standing from your employee. And this is going to start from 1st of March 2024. So these guidelines has sparked controversy among Nigerian nurses. So this is Lagos now. The nurses are protesting on the street.
The treasurer of the association, who said they are protesting against the policies of the government. They said they must have the number of procedures before that they must work before they can decide to leave the shores of the country to go and practice abroad.
This is very funny. Nigerian government, what is the problem? You can't maintain them. Why not provide a better working environment? Environment that can attract the nurses to stay. Not only nurses, other people. We have a lot of graduates. If they have opportunity of travel, they will leave because they are not doing anything there. Look at the other lady they saw one day, electrical engineering student in IMT or so, wherever. Her work now is to beg on the street. A graduate, after spending so many years in the university, there won't be work. The ones that are working, they don't give them anything. Look at how much the dollar is now, and our minimum wage in Nigeria is 30,000 naira. My people, what is 30,000 naira? What can you use 30,000 naira to buy? Can 30,000 naira cook a pot of soup? That's what you give a woman or a man, a worker. After how many days of work, you give the person 30,000 naira, and some they don't pay them. They owe them. So why wouldn't they go? Leave them, let them go. If you want them to stay, so make it attractive for them to stay. My God, what is happening? You don't want them. They are not treating them well. You are frustrating them. I don't want them to leave. That is not done. If you want them to stay, make it attractive for them. Then they will stay. Please share this video. Thank you.